Hello, welcome to Easy English. So last week we made a video about 12 things that you should not do in Great Britain that you can watch up here. This week we thought we'd be a bit more specific and go into the cultural norms inside a traditional English pub. Pubs or public houses are cornerstones of British culture. Even though pubs are welcoming and inclusive for every type of person, there are traditions and cultural norms that are upheld in most English pubs. This is what we want to teach you today. This is 10 things that you should not do in a traditional English pub. Let's go for a drink. Number 1. Hello? Hello? Let me in! Let me in! I would like some beer! I want beer! Do not go out too late. Let's start with one that we mentioned last week. British pubs generally open around 11 AM and close around 11 PM. It's widely accepted in Britain to go to the pub in the afternoon, maybe for a quiet drink with friends, a work meeting, or just to sit and read a book or do a puzzle. Some pubs will have a late license to remain open till 1 or 2 or 3 AM, but generally speaking, they'll close at 11, so you'll start to see Brits filtering out into the various nightclubs on offer or back home to go to bed. Number 2. Do not wait to be served. In British pubs, it's tradition to get up and go to the bar to make your drinks order. Don't see this as a negative point. Many great conversations and friends can be made at the bar, whether it's with the bartenders, the landlord, or the members of the general public that you're spending your evening with. Number 3. Hi, could I have a, Guinness? Guinness? I have a Guinness. Oh. Do not forget to try before you buy. The last thing you want to do in an English pub is order an entire pint of a drink that you might not even like. Luckily for you, it's acceptable to ask to try a small glassful of the drink that you have in mind. As long as it's not from a closed bottle, every pub around Britain should allow you to have a little taste of it before you buy. No thank you. Number 4. Do not get confused between lager and ale. Lager and ale use different yeasts and fermentation processes. This means that while lager tastes kind of crisp and lighter, ale has a more smooth, sweet, and possibly flat taste. This is where trying before you buy can come in great use, before you order some bitter that you've never heard of before and decide after ordering an entire pint for £5, it's absolutely disgusting. Number 5. Hello mate, what can I get you? Hello mate, can I get 2 Becks, 1 Guinness and a pint of Carling please? Okay. That'll be £80 please. Do not forget to bring enough money. Britain is unfortunately one of the most expensive places to go out drinking. Most drinks in a pub will cost you at least £4 to £5. So be sure to check your bank balance before you go on a big night out in Britain. Even a quiet one could cost you a day's wage. How much? I'm sorry, but this is London.
Easy English wouldn't be possible without your support. If you are an English learner, an English teacher, or you just want to support us because you love watching our videos, it would be really great if you would become a Patreon member of Easy English and join our community. It would mean the world to us if you would help us to continue producing videos for you.
Number 6. All right, lads. Do not only buy your own drink. If you're out with friends in Britain, it's traditional to buy a round or a round of drinks for everybody. This is a process where each person in your group takes it in turns to buy everybody's drink. Be right back. Number 7. Do not smoke indoors. Since the mid-2000s, smoking has become illegal in all British pubs. However, most pubs will have a pub garden or outdoor area where you can drink but also finish your ciggies. Oh, allow me. Number 8.
Thank you.
So, what would you like?
What?
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 Eh?
Eh?
What?
What?
Eh?
What? Do not go out for a quiet drink in a sports bar. If you're planning on going for a quiet drink with some mates or going on a date with someone, it's advisable to make sure you do your research first and look to see if the pub has any screens. If you do see screens in the pub you're thinking of going to, this probably means that they'll be turned on at some point during your night out, showing the latest football match, rugby match, or boxing fight. This also means that hundreds of lads will be filtering in at some point and being loud and leery at the TV screen, probably ruining your quiet evening. Number 9. Do not miss last orders. Towards the end of your night, you might hear a bell ringing by the bar or someone shouting last orders, or a combination of both. This is to signify that the pub is closing soon and that you have one more chance to get your last order of drinks in. The next thing that you'll probably hear from the bar is someone shouting time or time at the bar, and that means that the pub is now closed and you must make your way out. Number 10. Do not try to outdrink the British. As we mentioned before, pubs are a staple of British life. We'll meet there with friends, for work meetings, for family reunions, or any reason to sit and chat and probably have a drink. It would be advisable not to try to keep up with us or drink more than us. Drinking is almost part of British DNA. Oh. Thanks for watching this week's episode. Before we go, I actually have one do for you, and that is, if you're going to go to a British pub, do look for and go to pubs which have either a pub quiz or a karaoke night. It will be brilliant, I promise you. Let us know what you think of this video and if you have any observations from your experience in a British pub. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next week. Bye. Hello, welcome. I look like a newscaster. Hello, welcome to London News. Today, Boris Johnson's been an absolute and total surprise, surprise.